Our next question is related to the function that woman has to do in the worship of Orisa Eshu.
You see, not even only Orisa Eshu. All initiation, women have their own part in each. They might not be inside the groove of initiation, but outside they have their part, they have their role to take. That is a balance of life. They are women, they are a balance of life. So in everything, in any initiation, women will be present, but they might not go inside the groove. But when there are some ritual stuff they will also do, help Olorisha do outside. Sometimes they come in, they do their stuff to him. Let me give you an example.
Yes.
For example, you want to initiate a woman to Eshu, Orisa Eshu. Okay, there is a time to take a bath for that person. Woman will come in and take a bath for her. That is part. They are still working. They participate there. So even in everything in this life, we always give Iba to all women.
Okay.
In any initiation, this Odu. Hold on, let me.
Yes.
Aga láyùn rẹ̀ ira mi òsùn lókèrè ní ìhó. Èsì tí soníṣẹ́ ọ̀kínkín. Àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta lọ́mọ kọ́fà owó àgbọ̀nmìrégún. Ifá kọ́ wọn dídá owó, ó mọ̀ dá, ó kọ́ wọn ló ń jalè, ó mọ̀ ń tẹ̀ ó. Ó kọ́ wọn lọ́kàrẹ́ bọ́ ọmọ a. Wọ́n l'Ọ̀rúnmìlà ló dá wọn lóṣù tán fi ń sáwó. Ọ̀rúnmìlà ló dá wọn lóṣù tán fi ń sáwó. Ọ̀rúnmìlà ló dá wọn lóṣù tán fi ń sáwó. Ọ̀rúnmìlà ní aga láyùn rẹ̀ ira mi òṣù lókèrè ní ìhó. Èsì tí soníṣẹ́ ọ̀kínkín. Mo dá yín dídá ọwọ́ ẹ máa dá. Mo kọ́ yín ló ń talẹ̀ ẹ máa tẹ̀ ó. Mo kọ́ yín lọ́kàrẹ́ bọ́ ẹ máa á. Ìyá mi ò ṣòròǹgà ló dá wa lóṣù tá a fi ń sáwó. Means ìyá mi ò ṣòròǹgà, the witches, they are the one that give us, put Oshu on our head before we start doing, before we become a priest.
Wow.
So women have their role in any initiation, even in Eshu initiation. Idosu Eshu.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the answer for that special question and for the next question. So we are moving to the last question of this short time. Well, that I think this is a good information for everyone that will hear this audio. We have a good knowledge. So the last question is, there is a controversy about Odu Osalufogbe, also known as Osaishu. It tells us about Eshu coming from heaven. In this particular Odu, people believe that one priest of Eshu has to make special offerings in order to get a fine initiation and to avoid being disturbed by Eshu Odara. What could you add and explain about this?
About, you mean in this Odu, or Eshu priest, or somebody that this Odu born should make a special prayer? Anybody that have this Odu, should firstly take good care of Eshu very well. Very well. Because that person will be facing a lot of challenge, a lot of trouble. People will be lying against this person very well. That is the reason why they said this person needs a special prayer. Because in this Odu, story of this Odu, it was Eshu that people, if they do something outside, they will lie. That if they caught them, they say, oh, this is not me. This is Eshu's work.
Mm-hmm.
So my question to those people that if you steal this money, are you going to go and put this money on top of Eshu? No. But if they get caught, they will lie on Eshu. If they do something that is not good outside, they will lie on Eshu. Let them do something good, they will never mention Eshu. But if they do something bad, this thing they are trying to put a load of ajogun on top of Eshu. So anybody this Odu born need to make his very special prayer and some medicine for himself or herself, so that people, when they will be thinking good of that person, not lie, not against. But if that person want to initiate to Ifa, that did not disturb that person to initiate to Ifa.
All right. Okay. Perfect. Well, this is our conclusion, our end. We want to thank you for sharing this with us and appreciate your time. Eshe from Rangwaluwo. Okay?
Yeah. And for the last part is general taboo for issue.
Mm-hmm.
First thing is palm camel or palm camel is black oil.
Okay.
So it's taboo for all Elishu priests. It's taboo because that is the first taboo for issue.
Okay. So
Yeah.
people, you just hear this, and very soon Baba Afolabi Yinde will be with us in order to share and teaching a lot about Yoruba culture and Ifa orisha tradition. Thank you.